Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a close look at what we believe is the best manual silicone breast pump on the market, the Klid Home Manual Breast Pump. This lightweight, compact pump is a game-changer for breastfeeding moms who want comfort, portability, and efficiency, all in one beautifully simple product. The Klid Home Manual Breast Pump is crafted from 100% food-grade silicone. That means it's not only completely safe but also soft, flexible, and hypoallergenic, perfect for delicate skin. There are no power cords, no motors, no noise, just a natural suction that helps collect milk effortlessly while your baby feeds on the other breast. With a generous 110 milliliters or 4-ounce capacity, every drop of precious milk is saved instead of being soaked up by a nursing pad. One of the standout features is the ease of use. Simply squeeze, attach, and let the suction do the work. It's ergonomically designed to fit comfortably and adapt naturally to the shape of your breast. Moms who experience engorgement or strong letdown will especially appreciate how it gently relieves pressure without discomfort. Cleaning and maintaining the pump is just as easy. Thanks to the one-piece detachable design, it can be quickly rinsed or sterilized by boiling, no complicated parts or narrow tubes to scrub. Plus, since it's made from odorless silicone, it won't retain smells, ensuring milk stays fresh and pure for your baby. This pump includes both a tight sealing lid and a silicone stopper for double protection. Whether it's in your diaper bag, purse, or fridge, your milk stays secure and uncontaminated. That makes it ideal for moms on the go. Whether you're at work, on a flight, or just enjoying some quiet time at home. Another reason this pump stands out is its discretion. It's completely silent, and its compact form means you can carry it in your handbag without anyone even knowing it's there. No cords, no batteries, no hassle. It's for moms who want a low-maintenance, portable solution to collect breast milk efficiently. It's for those who want comfort and safety without sacrificing convenience. And it's for anyone looking to simplify their breastfeeding journey with a pump that just works, anywhere, anytime. If you're searching for a manual breast pump that's safe, soft, effective, and thoughtfully designed, the Klid Home Manual Breast Pump is absolutely worth considering. It proves that simple solutions can sometimes be the most powerful. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the products that matter to you most. See you in the next one.